This Good Morning Northwest Morning Sprint is brought to you by Bill's Heating and Air Conditioning.
It is 6:53. Time to get you ready to take on your Tuesday here in the Morning Sprint.
We are just 2 days away from Thanksgiving, and Destiny Richards has tips before you fry up a turkey on Thursday. Plus, Mark Peterson is tracking your Thanksgiving week forecast.
And Olivia Roberts has new developments in the 2020 election. But first, breaking news from Boeing this morning. European regulators are taking a step closer to letting the Boeing 737 MAX fly again. The aircraft could be cleared within weeks. The publication of the directive by the European Union Aviation Safety Agency opens a 28-day public consultation period. Then it will approve the aircraft for flight. The move comes after the FAA cleared the Boeing 737 MAX earlier this month.
Nearly 3 weeks after President-elect Joe Biden was declared the winner of the election, President Trump's team is allowing the formal transition process to begin. A letter from the General Services Administration is the first step the White House has taken to acknowledge Biden's victory. It comes as Biden makes a number of historic cabinet announcements. The president-elect is expected to start formally naming those picks at an event in Delaware today. Biden is reportedly interested in creating a diverse cabinet. He's expected to name former Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen as the first woman to be Treasury Secretary, and is also nominating the first female director of national intelligence and the first Latino director of Homeland Security.
It's another day with a record number of COVID cases here in Spokane County. Since Saturday, more than 1,000 people were diagnosed with COVID-19 in Spokane County. Monday's 513 cases sets a single-day record. 242 people in Spokane County have lost their lives to the virus so far. 4 of those happened over the weekend. 1 of those was a child. We still don't know much about that child's death, but we do know they were between the ages of 10 and 19.
In North Idaho, the Panhandle Health District says 246 new cases were diagnosed over the weekend and through yesterday. 66 people are in North Idaho hospitals. 103 residents of North Idaho have lost their lives fighting the virus.
Looks like the FDA is getting closer to approving 2 COVID-19 vaccines. The agency has asked members of its Vaccine Advisory Committee to reserve December 17th and 18th for meetings. Those meetings are to discuss a vaccine developed by Moderna. Another meeting already on the books for December 10th will focus on Pfizer's application for emergency use for its vaccine. Moderna and Pfizer both claim their vaccine candidates are about 95% effective.
And a very good Tuesday morning. First alert weather. It is all about what's happening tomorrow and tonight. All right, the green light is on for today in your outdoor outlook. But again, some rain, snow mix. We put the yellow light on Wednesday, but Thursday, the green light is on. Man, it's going to be a gorgeous day. We'll have more on your planning forecast coming up.
If you plan to fry a turkey on Thanksgiving, you're going to want to do it really safe. Make sure you avoid causing any fires. Cooking fires are really common this time of year. We've got a turkey cooking right now in the fryer. We salvaged it from a fire. But the Spokane Valley Fire Department has all great tips on how to avoid a turkey fire, how to put it out. Just go on our website, kxly.com, for more information.
Former New York City Mayor David Dinkins has passed away at the age of 93. Dinkins was a trailblazer who became New York City's first black mayor in 1990. After serving just 1 term, Dinkins was defeated by Rudy Giuliani in his bid for re-election. Later, he taught at Columbia University and consulted with Mayor Michael Bloomberg during his administration.
Newport police need your help finding a missing man who was supposed to be heading to Spokane. This is 51-year-old Ronald Poole. He was released from the hospital late Saturday afternoon and began heading to a relative's house in Spokane, but he never arrived. He's 5'11", 275 pounds with brown hair, brown eyes. If you know anything about his whereabouts, call Newport Police.
All right, coming up next on Good Morning America, as coronavirus cases continue to surge around the nation, mask wearing remains key to containing the spread. But after months of using them, it may be time to replace yours. GMA has the details on when it might be time for a change. We'll be right back.